ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। Hari Om. So in last class we started Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. We need Akaranta, we are seeing Akaranta Strilinga Shabda because Jaraya Jarasanyatarasyam, which is the next sutra as per the Kaumudi Krama, Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi Krama, that sutra is coming where the Akaranta Strilinga Shabda is discussed, and based on that we are going to do some work to the Akaranta Shabda. So that's why we are seeing the process of Akaranta Shabda. Then the work which is going to happen in the Jaraya Jarasanyatarasyam, same work is going to happen to the Akaranta Shabda first, and then it will happen to the Akaranta Shabda. Same work. Okay. So now, yesterday we saw the Ekvachana, Dvivachana, Bahuvachana of Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti also we saw. Yeah, Dvitiya Vibhakti also we saw. Then Sambuddhi, the Sambodhana Ekvachana Pratyaya also we finished. The Sambuddhaucha by this sutra, the Ekara comes. So these are the Bahuvachane Jhalyet, Osicha, then Angi Chapaha and Sambuddhaucha. These sutra are in, all the sutras are in one order, and all of them are making the Anga Akara. They are turning Anga Akara into Ekara. So here. So this is Bahuvachane Jhalyet. Bahuvachane Jhalyet makes Akaranta Anga, it turns into Ekara. Ekaranta Anga it makes. So Jhaladau Bahuvachane Supi. Supi comes from previous sutra here. No, I have not shared screen. Huh? This is Bahuvachane. Yes, Swamiji?
Yes, now it is clear. Yeah.
Bahuvachane Jhalyet was the sutra which we used for Rama Shabda, and that's how we got the Ramebhya, and then Rameshu. These forms we got. These are Jhaladi Bahuvachana Supratyayas. When they are there, Akaranta, Akaranta Anga turns into Ekaranta. Next sutra what we saw is Osicha. So Osicha sutra we read like Osi Supi Pare Adantasya Ekarah Syat. Adanta Angam Ekarantam Syat. Now next sutra came and it said that Angicha Apaha. So Abantat Angi Paresati. Abantat Angi Paresati. Again Ekaranta, the Ekarah Syat. So the Akaranta Anga, this Apaha is in Panchami Vibhakti. Apaha Angi Paresati. The Adantasya Akarasya Ekarahasya. That's what the meaning comes. Then Sambuddhaucha. As we have been doing this Adanta Anga or Akaranta Anga, we are turning them into Ekaranta. Same thing you do in the Sambuddhi also in the case of Ap Pratyaya. So Ap Pratyaya, this Sambuddhaucha, this rule applies only in the case of Ap. So that is the meaning. So abanta anga is there, and then there is sambuddhi ekvachana pratyaya. Sambuddhi is ekvachana only. When there is sambuddhi pratyaya, sambuddhi saujnaka pratyaya, then that akara turns into ekara. So Rama becomes Rame, and then Sa is there. Then once that Rama becomes Rame, then there is Su of that Sambuddhi, Sambodhana ekvachana pratyaya. Then that Sakara disappears. So Eng Hrasvat Sambuddhehe. So Engantat Hrasvantat. Abantat Engantat Hrasvant Eng Hrasvat Sambuddhehe. Engantat Hrasvantacha Sambuddhehe Lopa bhavati, or Sambuddhehe pratyasya Lopa bhavati. So that pratyaya disappears. And thus we get He Rame. Then remaining is same. He Rame, He Ramaha, as Prathama Vibhakti is declared. No changes. Now the Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachana form we are going to see. Let's read the sutra. Here is the sutra. Angi chapah, angi chapah, angi chapah, angi cha apah ekarah syat. That is the meaning. So Rama plus Ta. This is the situation, because the Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti is over. Now Rama Ta in this situation, the Angi Chapa Sutra comes and it says Ekara Syat. Ekara Syat. What is going to happen? Work is Ekara Syat. Ekara is subject, Syat is work. May the Ekara take place. That is the meaning. Okay. Ekara takes place. Where? So Apah Apah is Shashti and not Panchami. It should not be. Just once. Correct. Shashti. It is Shashti only. So Apa is Shashti. Sthane. Sthane Shashti. Apa is Sthane Shashti. Not Panchami. Not Panchami. So Apah Sthane Ekara Syat. Apah, the bracket, Akarasya Sthane. Sthane Shashti. So Apah Akarasya Sthane Ekarah Syat. So I is going to get replaced by Ekara. When Angi Pare Sati. Angi Pare Sati. Apah Tannama Akarasya Sthane Ekarah Syat. Ekara will happen. That is the meaning. Now just keep this OC aside. For now we need just Ang. Ang is the name given to Ta. Ang is equal to what? Ta. Vibhakti Ekvachana Ta is called Ang. That is one particular name which is traditional in the Prachina Parampara. The Ang is the Saudhnya. Ang Saudhnya Pracham. So Ta is called Ang. Angi Pare Sati Tannama Ta Pratyaye Pare Sati. Okay, that is the meaning. Rama is there, which ends with Ap. It is Akaranta, Abanta, Abanta, Akaranta. Now again it is getting followed by Ta, which is named as Ang. So Angi Pare Sati. Apah, Apah Akarasya Sthane. Apah iti Akarasya Sthane. Kim Syat? Ekarah Syat. So Ram A is there, then Ta is there. So A is going to get replaced with A. Here, Sutra is Angi Chapah. Angi Chapah. That Ta remains A only, Ta disappears. T disappears by Chutu Sutra. Ram A and then actually the it Saudhnya should happen earlier. Now we have done, but it Saudhnya and the T lopa takes place earlier only. As soon as the pratyay comes, that happens. Now Ram A plus A. Which sandhi takes place here? H-O-Y-A-V. So A will get replaced by I. H-O-Y-A-V. So Rama, that's it. Our answer is ready. Rama, ya. Rama, Rame, Ramaha, Ramam, Rame, Ramaha, Ramaya. Tritiya Vibhakti, Ekavachan. Dvivachanam is Rama plus Bhyam. Rama plus Bhyam. Nothing happens, just it gets connected. Rama, because no specific sutra is applied here. So that even that this Supicha sutra is not applied because that is applied only for that Adantanga, whereas here it is already Dirgha. It is not Adantanga. Then Rama plus Bhis. Again here nothing happens. The Bahuvachane Jhalyet cannot be applied because there the Atah Anuvritti comes. Where the just akara, raswa akara, taparkaranam is done in Bahuvachane Jhalyat. So that's why that also is not applied. So again, Rama, this in this situation, Rama Bihi only happens. Rama Bihi only happens. Just Sakara turns into Ru, the Rutva takes place, Rasarusho Ru, and then Refa turns into Visarga, Kharavasana or Visarjaniya. I will just mention the steps. Rama Bhi, Rama Bhis, then Rama Bhiru, then Rama Bhir. But here it is Sajuho Ruhu. Then here nothing, just the Ukara disappears. Janu Nasika It. And then Tasya Lopaha. By Upadeshe Janu Nasika It, we do it Saudhnya of that Ukara, and then Tasya Lopa, by that we make him disappear, and then Kharavasana Yor Visarjaniya. By Kharavasana Yor Visarjaniya, Rakara turns, Refa turns into Visarga. Now, Tritiya Bahuvachan is also over. Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramabhihi. That is also over. Now, Rama plus Ni. This is the situation. Now, here the next sutra is applied. What is that sutra? We'll see. First, we will read the sutra. Yadapaha, 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 Yadapaha. Very simple meaning. I will explain. Yat, Syat. May yat happen. So yat is the agama which is going to happen. Okay. Yat is the agama which is going to happen. To whom it is going to happen? Nitaha. Yat syat. It will happen to nit. Nga it yasya सः ङित् तस्य ङितः याट स्यात्. Yat will happen to that pratyaya which has ng as it. So what are all the pratyayas having ng as it? That is
A, Basi, Nas, and Ni.
चतुर्थी विभक्ति एक वचन, पंचमी एक वचन, षष्ठी एक वचन, सप्तमी एक वचन. So nitah yat sat. So all of them will get what? Yat. Yat. Also it will come yat. Yat. Then but when will it come? Any other condition? So apah. Apah is in Panchami Vibhakti. Here apah is in Panchami Vibhakti. So apah nitah sthane yat syat. Nitah sthane, here we have to take to the nit yat agama will come. So that's how the situation will be there, and here the abanta anga will be there. Everywhere. Abantam angam. Everywhere there will be abanta anga. So here now if we see Rama is abanta anga, Nye is nit pratyaya. So apah nitah yat agamah syat. So here also what will come? Yat will come. Rama plus yat. Rama plus yat plus Nye. Now what will we do? Rama plus ya will remain, ta will disappear, nga will disappear, so we'll write just a will remain. Sutra is for ta halantyam, then nga lashakva tadhite. Disappearance of both of them, tasya lopah. Actually, this is not the order. It should happen for each pratyaya. For Nye it will happen first, then for Yat it will happen second, and then we will get that in that order only. As soon as Nye comes, remove first anubandhas of Nye. Then it will remain A only. Then Nitva is there. Then the Yat comes, the Ta will disappear, Ya will remain. But we did it together. Then Rama ya plus a. This much. Rama ya, that is just connected. But ya plus a, which sandhi will take place? So Rama yai. Rama yai. That is solved. Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekvachanam is over. Rama plus Bhyam, nothing will happen, just connect them together. Rama Bhyam. Remember, when we are doing this just Rama and Bhyam and we are connecting, we must not forget that Halingyabhyo, sorry, not Halingyabhyo, the first, it will get Pratipadika Saudhnya, the Arthavada Dhatura Pratyaya Pratipadikam. Then this Nyap Pratipadikat. By this sutra, we get pratyayas. What are all pratyayas we get? Swauja Samot Chashtabhyam means Gebhyam, yes. They get named as pratyaya and they will come after anga. They will come after, later. Parascha. all these adhikaras are happening. So something is getting, Rama is getting Pratipadika Saujna. So, here actually the pratyay is coming because of Abanta. If you remember, we had seen that Arthavada Dhatura Pratyay Pradipadikam, and Abanta Shabda is not really included in this this Ni up Pratipadika. In Pratipadika it is not really added. So that's why we take it Nyantat Abantat this Supratyaya Syat Swadi Pratyaya Hasyu. So all those sutras are being applied. Since it is Dvivachana Pratyaya, so in Dvivachana Vivaksha Rama Rama, two Rama words came, and one of them just other got disappeared, one is remaining now. For Sarupanam Ekashesha Ekavibhaktau. That is also getting applied. We are just not applying those sutras, but understand that all of those sutras are already applied. We just assume that okay, those sutras are applied. And that's how it's just one or two sutras we are solving the examples. Again, Rama plus. Yes. Now again, nothing. Rama Bhyas. Then Rama Bhyaru, Rama Bhyar, then Rama Bhyaha, Karavasanayor Visarjaniyaha. Rutva happens and then returns into Visarga by Karavasanayor Visarjaniyaha. So Chaturthi Vibhakti is over. So Rama Rame Ramaha. Ramam Rame Ramaha, Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramabhi, Ramayai, Yadapah, Yadagam we did. So Angi Chapah, by that Angi Chapah Sutra, we translate, we converted that A into A. Yadapah, we brought Yad Agama in the case of Nit Pratyaya. So Nit was Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekvachan. Now again, Rama plus Nasi, this is the situation. Here also, what happens? Rama, let's write down in the proper way. Rama plus Yat plus As. Yadapah. Then Rama plus Ya plus As. Alantyam Tasya Lopah. Then Rama Ya plus Akasyavarne Dirgha Rama Yaha. Now just I will write Ramas, Ramayas. Then Rama Yaru. Then Rama Yar. And then we get our final example. Rama Yaha. Again, Rava Sanayor Visarjaniyaha. Who? So Ramaya Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachanam is solved. Panchami Vibhakti Dvivachana plus Bahuvachana, again same Rama plus Bhyam Rama Bhyam. Same process, Sa turns into Ru, the Sasarusho Ruhu, Rama Bhyaru. Rama Bhyaru turns into Rama Bhyar. U disappears, U gets it Saudnya by Upadeshe Janunasika it, and Tasya Lopaha. And then after Lopa, the R remains and R turns into Visarga by खरवसानयोर विसर्जनीय and we get रमाभ्यः. पंचमी विभक्ति बहुवचन is over. Again, विभक्ति एक वचन रमा plus नस. Same thing will happen. Rama plus us. Tadhite. By lashakva tadhite, the nga got its savjna, then tasya lopah, that disappears. What was named as it. Then Rama plus yat plus us. Yat adapah. आपो plus ya plus us. Put together, we do sandhi of ya plus us, ya plus a. The dirgha desha sandhi take place. Rama plus yas. The akah savarne dirgha takes place. Then Rama yas. Rama yaru by ruhu. Ruhu. Then Rama yar. Nasika it. Ukara disappears. First it gets named it and then it is disappeared. So again Ramayaha. Sutra is Kharavasanayor Avasane च परे सति रेफस्य विसर्जनीयः स्यात्. So there is no khar but there is avasana. Avasana viramavasanam. Okay, varnanam abhavah. There is no any other letter in front of it. That's why the repa turns into visarga. So we get Ramayaha. Then plus os. Rama plus os. Now this is the situation. Again, this in up sutra, Angi Chapah, in this sutra, we omitted, we just ignored one word. We had kept it aside. You come to here. In Vritti, what did we do? Angi pare sati apah akarasya sthane ekarasya. That's what we saw. Okay. So angi pare sati only we saw. Whereas here it is said angi pare sati, osi pare sati. So second line will be osi pare sati apah akarasya sthane ekarah syat. This is the second part of this sutra, second meaning of this sutra. So first is that Ani pare sati, tritiya vibhakti ekvachana pratyaya pare sati, apah akarasya sthane ekarah syat. Second meaning is osicha pare sati, apah akarasya sthane ekarah syat. So the example what we are going to solve there is Rama. ओसी च परे सति आपह स्थाने और आपह आकारस्य स्थाने एकारस्य. So ram a plus os in this situation. Ram, it akara turns into a plus os is as it is. Sutra is Angi Chapah. is the sutra. So ani osi cha apah ekarah. There. Now here what will happen? Plus os. What will happen? Which sandhi will happen?
Echoyavaya.
HOA. Again HOA only will take place. So I yava yavah. Okay. Ramai os. So ramayos. Correct. Now sa turns into ru. Ramayoru. Fine. So ru. Okay. Then ukara disappears. Ramayor. By upadeshe janu nasika it. Then tasya lopah, whatever is named as it will disappear. Ramayor. Then Ramayoho. Our answer is ready. Sutra is Ravasanayor Visarjaniyah. Khari avasthane च परि रेफस्य विसर्जनीयस्य रमयोः. Then Rama plus Am. Now we need the earlier sutra. We had seen that. Which sutra will come? Rama Am. Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan Pratyay we are solving here. One sutra we had seen. Correct. Not agama will happen. So hrasvantat, nadyantat, abantat changat. So it is not hrasvanta, it is not nadyanta, but it is abantanga. So here Rama plus nut plus am. By which sutra? Nadyapo nut. Nadyapo nut. Nut will come to am. So it will become a part of am. So it will become nam. Rama plus n plus am. Next is Rama now. Now one more sutra is applied. Correct. Atkup-Wangnum Vyavayepi. Rama Nam. Our answer is ready. Atkup-Wangnum Vyavayepi. Atkup-Wangnum Vyavayepi. Rashabhyam no nah syat. This is our answer. That's it. Rama Yaha, Rama Yoho, Ramana is over. Now, again, now it is Saptama Vibhakti Ekvachana Pratyaya. Rama. Then Pratyaya Saptama Vibhakti Ekvachana is Ni. Rama Ni. Here Rama plus are the regular sutra Yadapaha. Yat plus Ni. Now in this situation, what happens? The next sutra is applied. I will take this to the sutra itself. Here. Here is our sutra. And this is our situation, this our condition. Abanta anga is there, ni pratyay is there, and this yat agama has come there. So abanta, by this abanta understand Rama. Okay, I will put there Rama only. Rama. Rama, yat, ni, and this is what the situation is. Now what happens? Let's see. ङेरां नद्यां नीभ्यः ङेरां नद्यां नीभ्यः ङेरां नद्यां नीभ्यः ङेः आम स्यात्. ङेः आम स्यात्. May arm take place or may arm happen. Okay, may arm happen. On the place of what? Nge. On the place of nge. Nge is what? It is Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachana of nge. So, Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachana of Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachana. So, nge is Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya, which is declined. Nihi, ni, ngayaha, nim, ni, nim, nina, nibhyang, nibhi, and that's how you come to the Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachan. Ngehe, nyoho, nina. So, ngehe is this. On the place of ni means Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachana Pratyaya. That will be replaced by what? Am. That's what it is saying. So, ngehe sthane am syat, am adeshah syat. Okay, what type of ni? So it is getting specified. Abantat, abantat parasya ngehe am syat. Just read here. Can you see there? Abanta. That is what we need. The whole sutra says nadyantat, abantat, ni shabdat cha parasya ngehe am syat. Whereas we need abanta because for now the topic is going on abanta. So in sutra it is explained in more briefly. Ngehe आप नदी आम नीभ्यः ङेहे आम स्यात् ङेहे आम स्यात् नदी आम नीभ्यः ङेहे आम ङेहे is here till this ङेहे is Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Am which is there it is appearing as though Ram. It is am, it is Prathamanta. Then Nadi आप नीभ्यः पंचमी विभक्ति बहुवचन. एभ्यः शब्देभ्यः और एभ्यः अंगेभ्यः ङेः आम आदेशः स्यात्. That is the meaning. एभ्यः आम आदेशः स्यात् ङेः स्थाने. Because we are discussing abantanga, that's why we just took abanta. So Rama plus ni, this was the situation. Rama plus yad because of yadapaha, because nit pratyay is there. Niti pare sati yadagamah syat. So yad plus ni. Now the ta disappears. Rama, ya, then ni is replaced by am. Ya. Then Rama plus ya, nothing will happen. Ya plus am, Sandhi will take place.
Akasavarna dirgha.
दीर्घः अगसवर्णे दीर्घ. Then the final form is ready. रमायां. षष्ठी सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचन. रमायां. So remember the yadapa neram nadyam nibhyah. So yad agama will come, neram nadyam nibhyah. By this am adesha will come on the place of ni. And thus we get ramayam. Okay. Then Rama plus. Yes, Swamiji.
No. Go back to screen.
Oh, yes.
This Neram Nadyam Nibhyah, the sutra there, one na is missing in the red. 73116.
Okay.
Or here there is one extra.
Where?
When you say Rama Ya Am, one na is extra in that line. Below.
Which?
Below.
Okay, this,
Below.
This.
Niche. Neram Nanadyam.
Sorry. It was extra here. Neram Nadyam Nibhyah is the sutra. Sorry. Osicha. Again, not Osicha. Rama plus Os. This is the situation. Again, Saptami Vibhakti, Dvivachana Pratyay is there in front of us. Now, we will apply one sutra with which we started our class today. Sutra. Again, Angi Chapah. Angi pare sati, Osi pare sati. Apah ekarah syat. Os Angi Chapah. Osi cha.
Where are you typing?
Is it not visible, Swamiji?
Where you are typing, we cannot see. The part where you are typing, that screen, we cannot see.
I will stop. I will reshare it.
Where you are typing, that screen we cannot see. Means you have to come down. No, you have to share also.
Now is it visible? Here I am typing.
No, it's not visible to me. I don't know about others.
Swamiji, we are able to see Swamiji. Yes, we are.
I have taken it right in the middle. Now. Is it now visible, Swamiji?
Aham na pashyami. Now the screen came. Yeah. Now it is visible.
Okay, Swamiji. A. So one sandhi will take place. What will be that sandhi? Okay, Angi chapare sati. Okay. Vritti I had written half only. Angi osi chapare sati. Apah ekarah syat. So akarasya sthane ekarah we brought when there was os pratyaya in front of it. So now Ram A, again one sandhi will take place. What will be that sandhi?
Ram A plus Os, right? Show your eye.
वायावः रमयोस्. Ramayos again sutra will be Ramayoru by sajuho ruhu. Mayor Nasika it. Yoho Karva Sanayor Visarjaniyah. Kariyavasane Sati Repasya Visarjaniyah Sya. So Ramayoho we get. Then Bhakti Dvivachanam is also over. Rama plus Sup. Rama plus Su. हलन्त्यम अन्त्यम हल उपदेशे इत संज्ञं स्यात्. तस्य लोपः तस्य इतः लोपः स्यात्. रमासु we get nothing happens. उपदेशे जनुनासिक it is not applied because it is said in. By saying in, akara was already omitted, so sa does not turn into sha. Again, bahuvachane jhalyati is not applied because it is not hrasva akaranta anga, it is akaranta anga. So ramasu as it is connected, ramasu. And here our rama shabda gets over. Rama rame ramaha, ramam rame ramaha, ramaya ramabhyam ramabhi, ramaya ramabhyam ramabhyah, ramayaha ramayoho ramanam, ramayam ramayoho ramasu. He rame, he rame, he ramaha. That is the process. Now Rama akaranta shabda is over. Correct? Is there any doubt in Rama shabda?
Hey Rame, let us see once again. Hey Rame, hey Rame. The only first one, hey Rame.
Rama is there, Su came the Su. Now Su is named as Sambuddhi. Su of Sambodhana is named as Sambuddhi. Then Ukara disappears. Now Eng Hraswat, this Sambuddhaucha Sutra comes. Ram plus A plus Sa. In this situation, Sa is of Sambuddhi. So Sambuddha, this sutra comes. Now this sutra comes in this sequence only. Here Bahuvachane Jhalyet Osi cha Osi supi adantasya ataha ekarah syat. Then Angi cha apah apah angi pare sati आकारस्य एकारः स्यात्. Again next Sambuddhau pare sati apah आकारस्य एकारः स्यात्. Here only it is. So eighth anuvrutti happens from bahuvachane jhalyet ekarah syat osi pare sati atah angasya. Atah comes here from here. Now atah anga is finished, that gets over in this sutra, fifth sutra 105. आपह अंगस्य आंगी परे सति तन्नाम तृतीय विभक्ते है एक वचनस्य प्रत्यय परे सति आपह आकारस्य एकारः स्यात्. So anga is changed from this sutra till osicha adanta anga was continuing. Now after osicha angi chapah abanta anga is starting. Now apah angi pare sati ekarah syat. Apah osi, because that cha brings the previous os from the previous sutra. So angi pare sati apah ekarah syat, osi cha pare sati apah ekarah syat. Next संबुद्धौ च संबुद्धौ अपि आपः संबुद्धौ परे सति आपः एकारः स्यात् एक स्यात्. So those ekar, these 3-4 sutras are coming together, means one after the other, to turn that akaranta or akaranta anga into ekaranta. Sambuddhau cha sutra. By Sambuddhau cha sutra, akarasya. Here we can the vritti will be आपः संबुद्धौ प्रत्यये परे सति ekarah syat. So that's how akara turns into ekara. Now rame it is there, and then there is sa. Eng hrasvat sambuddhehe. Enganta anga is there or hraswanta anga is there, then sambuddhehe soho lopah syat. Sambuddhi sakara will disappear. Here the rame ekara is enganta anga. Tasmat sa will disappear. Zero. Clear, Swamiji? Hariam, Swamiji. Now,
Fine.
yeah, yes. Quick recap we'll do of all the pratyas, how we changed all the pratyas. First was su, au, jas, out, shas, ta, dham, bhis, nge, dham, bhyas, ngasi, bhyam, bhyas, nas, os, am, os, sup. All of these pratyas are there now in front of us. Now, what are all changes we did? That we have to bring all the changes. So, su is just sa, ukara disappears, au gets replaced by she. Can anyone tell the sutra?
Jasah she.
So she.
No. Too far it went. Here. Aungapah. Jasasho sihi is previous sutra. It will come for this sarvanama. So she came by Aungapah. Then here Nothing happened. Just remained us only. Us. Then here is only. Again. Is the संज्ञा of and out. Prathama vibhakti dvivachan as well as dvitiya vibhakti dvivachan. Here again shas becomes just us, nothing else. Ta remains just a, nothing happens, just agama comes, that we will show in the next step. Bhyam is as it is, bhis is as it is, nothing happens. Nge here remains a only, one agama is going to come. Then here bhyam remains as it is, bhyas remains as it is. Next, ngasi, us remains as it is, bhyam, bhyas, then here us again, os again, here am. Here just write down e, then os, then su. Now the third stage where we went, sa disappears because of anga. She only e remains, us remains us as it is, remains as it is, e remains us. Ta, here comes ekara anga, the anga turns into ekara. That's why the ayadi adesha takes place and ramaya happens. The anga is a only there, sorry, pratyay is a only. Dvivachana is as it is bhyam, bahuvachana is this as it is. Ekavachana as it is a, but one yat agama comes. Yat agama comes. So because of that ya, right here like this you will write. Then bhyam, then bhyas. Here again yat agama comes, then us. Somehow I will take it front. Here again bhyam, panchami vibhakti dvivachan, bhyas vibhakti dvivachan. Again ya comes, I will write full yak now since we have pushed it ahead. Then os, because of os the ani chapah ekara happens. Then am, here one more agama comes. What is that agama?
No, nut agama.
Nut agama is there. Then here ya plus the am te ni turns into am. Os is as it is, and then soup turns into soup is soup. So we made change. We saw that sa of prathama vibhakti ekvachana is getting disappear. Then au and out they are turning into e, dirgha ekara. Then the ekara happens in the case of tritiya vibhakti ekvachana pratyay as well. Then chaturthi, panchami, shashti and saptami yat agama comes. Saptami vibhakti ekvachana pratyay ni turns into am. That's it. Osi pare, in the case of os, saptami vibhakti dvivachan and panchami vibhakti dvivachana, the akaranta anga turns into ekaranta anga. Now just when you are revising sutras, keep all those sutras which are turning akaranta or akaranta anga into ekaranta, because they are in the one order in Ashtadhyayi. So bahuvachane jhalyet, then supi cha, osi cha, not supi cha, bahuvachani jhallet, osi cha, angi chapah. All of these sutras, what will they do? They will turn that akaranta or akarantanga into ekaranta. Okay, so here we finished akaranta shabda. Then same way, just Rama shabda you can take it as homework. As we declined Rama, same way you can decline Jara. This shabda we are supposed to decline. Okay. You can decline it and you can come for next class. Then we will see the special work, what happens to this Jara. That is where our Jaraya Jarasanyatarasyam Sutra. So, should we do Shanti Patha Swamiji?
Yes.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari Om.